Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. ℚ𝕚𝕕𝕚. आज चाहिँ म साइक्लिङ ब्लग बनाइरहेको छु है. सो अलिकति चेस्ट पाउनु हालेको छु. कस्तो देखिरहेको होला एङ्गल. सब्सक्राइबर है. घरमा बस्दा बोर हुन्छ क्या. घरमा बस्दा यसो विचार गऱ्यो. साइक्लिङ बस्नु पऱ्यो भनेर पानी पऱ्यो.
Mental. The mind is the head coach, strength is the youth, what wisdom is the old folks. Focus aim like a ball going through a goalpost. See the goal clear, my mind touching so close. I aspire for higher, to rise like Horus. Increase my flexibility, my strength and endurance. I see no opponents, I compete with myself. Training one-on-one like I'm in a class by myself. My health is a priority, winner mentality. All I see is success and build it up gradually. Step by step like two shoes on a treadmill. Got to make moves in this life, can't stand still. Desire to win, the faith inside, the focus, the fire, the fight, the triumphant rise of the champion.
यताबाट चाहिँ नजाउँ होला बडालिङको ट्रेनिङ है. कतितिर गइसक्यो. लेट्स रिटर्न ब्याक होम.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
शान्ति बनो.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only that. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this hard, it's my only medicine, yeah. I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
रमाइलो छ साइक्लिङ was a cycle vlog. So voilà. My dog looks very happy. I don't know why. Aisa, come on, work out. So thank you for watching the vlog. आजको साइकल ब्लग यति नै थियो.